All right, we're going to do a review of 3132. You guys have your quiz on Wednesday. It's just covering these two. This is due Monday morning. All right, looking at it, the first section is just asking you to identify the angles, okay? What are they? So I'm going to just do a couple of them. You guys will have to do the rest. So looking at the first one, raising our hands, who could tell me what kind of angle these are? Yes. They're corresponding, okay? So all you would have to do is write corresponding. If you could type it, that's fine. All right, looking at number 3, what kind of angles are these? Okay, you can identify, are they alternating? No, so it's none of the alternate. Yes. Good, consecutive. Is it two ends? Consecutive interior. Okay, consecutive interior. Please keep in mind consecutive interior angles equal 180 degrees. Everything else is congruent. So just make sure you know that. Okay, the rest of this page is for you to do. No, that's not it. I'm going to go ahead and go to the next one. Find the measure of the angle indicated in bold. So I'm going to do one of these with you. Looking at number 11. So scroll to number 11. How would I solve this? How would I set this up? Yes.
I put 6x minus 10 equal to 5x plus 2.
Good, because looking at this, they're congruent angles. They're alternate interior. They're going to be congruent. Keep in mind they're asking me to solve for what's in bold. So I need to try and get my x first. How would I solve this? What am I going to do first? Yes?
You would add 10 to both sides.
Perfect. I'm going to add 10 to both sides. All right, adding 10. This is going to give me 6x equals 5x plus 12. And then what should I do next?
Subtract 5x.
Good. Subtract 5x. These are going to cancel out. I'm going to get x equals 12. Am I done? No. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to plug this back in right here. So finishing it, I'm going to have 6 times 12 minus 10. 6 times 12 is 72 minus 10 is going to give me what? My answer is going to be 62 degrees. Right, these are all the exact same concept. All right, finding the measure of each angle indicated. Looking at number 17, who could tell me what is the answer for my question mark? And draw, please. 75, okay. Anytime they're alternate, it's okay. Anytime they're alternating or the opposite sides, it's going to be congruent. So alternate interior, alternate exterior, they're going to be congruent. So who could tell me what else is going to be 75? Yes. The vertical angle, which one is that? The top, left, or right? Right. All right, what else is going to be 75? Is there more? Where?
The bottom left.
Good. Bottom left. Is there anything else at 75? No? Okay, let me figure out the other angles. How would I figure out the other angles?
180 minus 75.
Good. 180 minus 75. What would I get? Good. And where would 105 be? Where would I put the rest of 105? The blank ones, right? All the blank ones. Okay, please keep in mind, even though the directions did not say they're parallel, they're still showing me that they're parallel by giving me those arrows. These little arrows are telling me that my lines are parallel. Okay, so just please make sure you know that. All right, next. Okay, the rest of them are the same. Let's go ahead and go to number 23. It says find the measure of the indicated angle that makes lines U and V parallel. So now the directions is telling me that they're parallel. So looking at this, what would my answer be for my question mark? Perfect. 75 degrees. What about for 24? Is it going to be 50? No, okay, these are consecutive interior angles. So I know if I add them two together, it equals 180. So I need to subtract 180 minus 50. What would I get? 130, and that would be my answer for this one. The rest of these you guys can do. All right, looking at this one, number 33, solve for x. How would I solve this? How would I set this up to solve it? Yes. 2 plus 11x, what else? Equals 180. I don't think that angle equals 180. All right, so I have 2 plus 11x, which you got that part right. What else? Yeah. Plus 79 equals 180. So you got the 180 part. You just forgot that plus 79. All right, and now I just have to solve it as if I were in Algebra 1 all over again. How would I solve this? Okay, so a couple ways. You could subtract 79 and then subtract 2, or you can just go ahead and combine your like terms. So 79 plus 2, that's going to give me 81 plus 11x equals 180. Then I'm going to subtract my 81 from both sides. I'm going to get 11x equals 99, and then what should I do? Divide by 11, and x equals, good, x equals 9. All right, what about number 34? How would I solve for number 34? How would I do this one? X plus 108 equals 101. Okay, solving it, one-step equation, subtract 108. And what would my answer be? Good, x is going to equal -7. Please keep in mind, my angle measurement couldn't be a negative number, but my x could because I'm doing something else with my x. So just be aware of that. X can be a negative number, but my angle cannot be negative. All right, last 8 or last 6. How would I solve for 43? Perfect. They're 90-degree angles because it's represented using that little box. And they're telling me that U and V are parallel. So I would set it up as 23x minus 2 equals 90. Same thing as before, solve for my x. First thing I'm going to do is add 2. I'm going to get 23x equals 92. Divide both sides by 23. And x is going to equal, good, 4. All right, questions, comments, concerns on any of these pages? All right, this is a review of 3.1 and 3.2.